In a small town nestled between rolling hills, there was a magical music school. This wasn't an ordinary school, for it had a unique feature, a symphony orchestra that played every evening, filling the town with melodious tunes. One day, a young girl named Lily moved to this town. She was a curious and imaginative child, always seeking adventure and knowledge. On her first night, she heard the enchanting music from the school. Intrigued, she decided to investigate. As she approached the school, she saw a group of students, each holding an instrument. They were rehearsing for the upcoming concert. Lily, who had a love for music, felt a strange connection. She asked the teacher, Mr. Conductor, if she could join. "Music is a language that everyone can learn," Mr. Conductor said with a warm smile. "But before you join, you must answer a riddle." "I accept your challenge," Lily replied, her eyes sparkling with excitement. "What is it that gives music its soul?" Mr. Conductor asked. Lily pondered for a moment, then she smiled. "Emotion, Mr. Conductor. Music is the reflection of our emotions." "Correct." Mr. Conductor beamed. "Welcome to our orchestra, Lily. Let's create beautiful music together." Lily spent the next few weeks learning the intricacies of her instrument and the harmony of playing as part of a group. She discovered that each note, each melody, each rhythm, and each crescendo was a unique expression of emotion. One day, Lily realized that she was not just learning to play an instrument, she was learning to express her feelings in a way that could touch others' hearts. She understood that music was not just a form of entertainment, but a powerful tool for communication and understanding. As the day of the concert approached, Lily felt a mix of excitement and nervousness. But as she took the stage, she felt a surge of emotions flood through her. She played her heart out, pouring all her feelings into her music. The audience was captivated by her performance. They could feel the passion, the joy, and the sorrow in each note she played. That night, Lily not only showed her love for music, but she also taught the town a valuable lesson, that music is a universal language that transcends words, touching hearts and minds in a way that nothing else can. From that day forward, Lily continued to grow as a musician, always striving to express her emotions through her music. And as for the town, it was never the same again. It became a haven for music lovers, a place where people from all walks of life came together to share their love for this beautiful, soulful art. Remember, dear readers, just like Lily, we all have a unique song within us. Let's find our instruments, learn to play, and share our music with the world. For in doing so, we not only express ourselves, but we also touch the lives of those around us.